Download Awaas Plus 2024 mobile application from Play Store or PMAYG website. Click on Awaas Plus 2024 survey. Click on first link button to download Awaas Plus 2024 mobile application. Application is downloading, please wait. Download complete. Now install Awaas Plus 2024. Open mobile application. Choose your language and press done and give all the necessary permission to mobile app. As you can see on top, there are two login types. First login type is assisted survey and second login type is self-survey. User can log in via Aadhaar number. In this demo video, I will show you how the assisted survey can save and upload a record of a beneficiary. Assisted survey, enter your Aadhaar number to log in into Awaas Plus 2024 mobile app and click on Authenticate button. As you can see, camera will open now. Surveyor need to blink his eyes for eKYC authentication. During eKYC, make sure that the surveyor's face should be covered in the green circle and the face should be in proper light and there should not be any person available in your background, and then blink your eyes. After eKYC successful, surveyor can see a success message pop up on mobile screen. It means your eKYC is completed. Now press OK and enter PIN and confirm PIN and press on Create PIN. Next time surveyor can log in via PIN. This is welcome screen. As you can see, block and panchayat name are visible where surveyor is registered. When you click on Add or Edit Survey tab, app will ask GPS permission. Turn on the GPS and return to welcome screen of mobile app. Now again click on Add or Edit Survey tab. Panchayat name is visible where surveyor is registered and village name is also showing, which is associated with selected panchayat by the surveyor. Now press Next button. This is beneficiary list screen. Press Add New button to authenticate surveyor. For authentication, surveyor's face should be covered in the green circle and in proper light and there should not be any person available in your background, and then blink your eyes. Surveyor authenticated successfully. Now surveyor can enter the details of family head. Enter the name of the head as per the Aadhaar card. Now enter the Aadhaar number of head. And if head don't have Aadhaar number, then surveyor can save the record without enter the Aadhaar number of the head. Same thing will follow for job card field. Enter job card number. And if you don't have job card number, then surveyor can save the record without enter the job card. Select gender and social category. Enter age of the head. And select marital status of the head. Choose radio button for father or husband. If father radio button is selected, enter the father name. And if husband radio button is selected, enter the husband name. Enter the mobile number of the head. Select literacy of the head. Select occupation of the head. Enter the number of family member including head. Surveyor can see the disability guidelines via click on underline text, that is RPWD Act 2016. Select family member is disabled, yes or no. Select any member with critical illness. Enter the annual family income in rupees between 4 to 6 digits. Press on Save and Next button. Now enter the details of family member. Enter the name of the family member as per the Aadhaar card. And enter the Aadhaar number of family member. And if family member don't have Aadhaar number, then surveyor can save the record without enter the Aadhaar number of the family member. Select gender of the family member and relation with head. Enter age of the family member. Select marital status of the family member and enter the mobile number. Select literacy and occupation of the family member. Select family member is disabled, yes or no, and click on Add Member. Now enter the details of another family member. Enter the name of the family member as per the Aadhaar card, and if family member don't have Aadhaar number, then surveyor can save the record without enter the Aadhaar number of the family member. Select and enter the other details of family member, like gender, relation with head, age, marital status, mobile number, literacy, occupation and disability. And then click on Add Member. This is total family member added screen where all the family members are listed. Here you can edit or delete the record of any family member via Edit or Delete icon. Now click on Save and Next button. For eKYC of the beneficiary, select checkbox and click on Proceed button. During eKYC of the beneficiary, make sure that beneficiary face should be covered in green circle and face should be in proper light and no person available in background, and then blink eyes. eKYC of the beneficiary is successful. Now press OK button and enter bank account related information, and if beneficiary don't have bank account details, he can update it later by selecting checkbox. Select and fill bank related information like bank or post office type, bank name, branch name, account number, confirm account number, beneficiary name as per bank or post office account. Then click on Next button. This is housing related question screen. Select and enter all the housing related questions. Ownership, material of wall and roof pakka or kacha, number of rooms, etc. Enter all the details and proceed further. If beneficiary comes under PVTG, select PVTG from drop-down list. If beneficiary have land, select yes, otherwise select no. Click on Save and Next button. Now capture the old house image. Make sure accuracy is less than 15 meters and location of mobile is on. You can capture maximum 3 images. Enter remark for old house image and click on Save and Next button. Now capture vacant site image. Make sure accuracy is less than 15 meters and location of mobile is on. You can capture maximum 3 images. Enter remark for vacant site image and click on Save and Next button. Select yes or no to enroll the beneficiary in Mason training. And choose house typology. User can see a 3D model of house via click on box icon. Click on camera icon. Place your mobile camera on land to capture the tiles. And after tile capturing, click on it. You will see a 3D model of house. You can place this 3D model of house on land, rotate, left, right, backward, forward, up, down for better understanding of house design. Select checkbox for house typology and click on Proceed button. This is survey preview form. You can download this form in PDF via click on Download icon. Downloaded PDF file survey preview form is saved in your mobile device under Document folder. Select the Declaration checkbox to save the record in mobile device and you will see a success pop-up for survey completed. Please upload. Now go back to Welcome screen. Click on Upload saved survey data. Select checkbox and click on Upload record button to upload the record. Survey successfully uploaded.